everyone, it's me Alex, and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing REDTIGER 4K Ultra Clear Wi-Fi and APP controlled GPS tracking dash cam. So I'll post the link in the description if you're interested. I bought this one off Amazon, right? So I'm going to be unboxing this up. So let's get started with the unboxing. So here is the box to the dash cam. As you can see, it says 4K Ultra Clear Wi-Fi and APP controlled GPS tracking. And here is the device. Here is the side. There's nothing here in the back. It just says the company. And there's, on the bottom, it just tells you what it does. 4K plus 1080p dual camera, or dual channel. So this one does have a front, which is, the one in the front here, and then the rear, if you can put that in the back. Wi-Fi built in and GPS/app control, HDR, WDR plus super night vision, and G-sensor loop recording parking monitoring. So let's go ahead and open this up. So let's go ahead and lift the box here. And we've got, it looks like instructions on how to set this up. Yep, instructions right here. We got our user manual that shows you how everything works, probably the format, of course, everything it can do, the product specifications, and everything in here. We've got the company name, the website, and Instagram, and the quick start guide on how to get this set up, the memory card, and the setup on how to do this. We've got the word, this is where it's going to go. As you can see, for example, like if we look at this picture, this is where it's going to be mounted like this on the car, and the camera itself right here. Here, oh, it's really small. Here's the camera itself. And of course, 4K Wi-Fi, and here's the camera. Of course, I'm going to take this out yet because I'm still going to plug it into the car and everything. And the USB port. And of course, this connects to right here. I'll set this right here. And let's see what we've got here. We've got the cables. We've got the cigarette lighter plug, which plugs into the car, and the USB. Yeah, the USB-C. It runs on USB-C because here is the USB input on the camera. We've got so this right here is the rear camera. Here it connects via this like headphone jack looking connection, because if you look on top of the camera, it says AV in. So it would plug in right here, and you run this to the back of the camera for the rear view. And then we've got our little tool to like push in the cable so it's not in the dash, and I guess double-sided tape to make sure everything gets installed the right way.